Today I will guide you how to delete all archived stories on Instagram. For that you need to open the Instagram application, and once you are here you need to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here once you reach on your profile page, tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can scroll down and find out your activity option. Tap on your activity. On this page you can see the archived option. Tap on it, and at the top you can see stories archive. So these are all the stories that you have archived on Instagram. Let me tell you that you cannot delete your archive stories at once because there is no any option to delete it at once. So you just have to manually delete it one by one. Open any archive story, and at the bottom right corner you can see the option of more. Tap on it and tap on delete. To confirm you need to tap on delete. In this way you can easily delete your archived stories one by one. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.